Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're gonna take a quick look at a Ritter 4-spindle R8043 horizontal boring machine. Now I did say 4 spindles. Those 4 spindles are gonna be on 2 separate boring blocks. So you have 1-inch centers here, and when we bring these 2 together, you are going to have 1.25 inches minimum on those inside boring blocks. So on your inside centers, again, 1.25 inches, and these are both 1 inch, 1.25 inches currently. If we come in and unlock each head, we can move them and adjust them outward. And this is in real time, so this should give you an idea of how long it would take to go from minimum to maximum. So if you just look at the clock. On this video, you can actually see how long it takes to adjust them outward. Again, your lock's underneath here. And this is going to take you to 11 inches. Again, on those inside centers. So now we're at the furthest point. Again, these are 1-inch centers, and between these 2, your insides, you have now 11 inches. Each of these is powered by its own 1 horsepower motor. Your max depth of bore is 3 inches. That is controlled here. This is going to be your fine setting. Obviously, you can actually move this to your coarser setting, so you can move this in to get there faster. You don't have to screw all the way in. Fine, and these set of holes here are for your coarse setting. As far as your bore speed, if we take a look inside, you can adjust on this needle valve, you can adjust the speed, so you can bore slower or faster depending on what you're doing. The max height is 2 inches. Currently, we do have those heads 2 inches off of the table, and that is controlled via this hand wheel. Really easy to adjust, and those are on lineal slides. If we go ahead and turn this machine on, it's gonna be quiet running. And this machine is cycled via a foot pedal. I'm gonna come in and hit that foot pedal. Obviously, you can adjust your hold downs, your T-fences. You can turn those hold downs off very easily. I'll cycle it from the side so you can get an idea what it looks like cycling from the side. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.